bottle until it get hollow.
What is up, everybody? Rez M3 here, back again, and today is a video that I never thought that I was gonna make, honestly. And if anything, I didn't think I was gonna make it so soon. So I'm just gonna explain it right away. So a couple of weeks ago, I put my M3 up for sale. It was just a feeler. I was just like, you know what? If I sell it for what I'm asking for, like, I'll be all right. Crazy enough, like, I got a buyer coming today, so you might never see this if it doesn't sell, but if it does, then yeah, this is it. Today's gonna be the final drive and the last POV drive of me and my car. So pretty much we're gonna get into it right away. Just gonna have a quick cruise down the highway in the sunrise, and then we're gonna go from there. But I'll explain everything, like what's gonna happen to the future of the channel and things like that. So yeah, I never thought I would see this day, or not this soon, but it is what it is. Got bigger plans, bigger goals. Just stay tuned. So let's go ahead and let's do this last drive with the M3, and hope you guys enjoy. What is up, everybody? Rez back here. I told you again, I never thought this day would come, but I have Edis here, and he's the new owner of the M3. How do you feel about it?
Super happy to own this thing.
All right, what's your favorite part of the car?
I love the way it looks, the way it sounds. It's clean as shit.
Yeah, thank you. Put a lot of effort into that. But he's the new owner, and we got big things coming to the channel, but he's gonna go on his first drive right now, and we're gonna document it right quick. All right,
let's do it.
Just driving the M3. How do you like it?
I love it, dude.
Damn, that smile though. New exhaust sounds fresh.
Dude, this car's awesome, bro.
Thank you. A lot of effort and time into this.
Oh yeah, it's awesome.
Well, I'm glad you like it. You just take care of it. You have an Instagram or anything so we can give it to everybody?
Yeah, it's Lord Edis.
Lord Edis?
Yep.
Alright, I'll put it on the screen for everybody. Go follow him if you want to keep up with the M3.
It'll be game over now.
Game over? Alright. Once he changes it, we'll get the final one, alright? It's really happening. In a few hours, the car will be gone. Just taping up the bumper for the long drive. It's gonna be sad. But we will move on, and bigger things will be coming to the channel, alright? Stay tuned. Alright guys, that's it. The M3 sold. It's gone. Oof, still sounds good. I hope they enjoy it, but stay tuned to the channel. Like I said before, it's a sad day, but there's big things coming, and sometimes you have to let go of what you love in order to grow onto the next thing. All right, so you guys already know what to do. What is up, everybody? I don't know where that last video left off, but we just sold the M3. It's off to its new owners down in North Dakota, so hopefully they take care of it. But stick around, there is more content coming. I promise. We're gonna be picking up a new, or we already picked up a new project car. Not really a project, but my new track car slash, I'm gonna turn it into a little show car. The same thing, you know how I like to modify my stuff. But I'm gonna go ahead and give you a sneak peek. But please stick around, there is gonna be more content to come. There might be another car I might be picking up, another Beamer. Some of my close friends already know what it might be, but yep, there's more to come. So this is just the beginning. Had to change it up for the future goals, but just stick around because there's more to come. So remember, comment, like, and subscribe. And here you go, I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek of the new car. Woo! Feels good to be back. Always remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Rez out. Out of here.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow.